Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubitstore is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Lotion Peau De Lune Florale Cleanser. Lotion Peau De Lune Cleanser is a potent facial cleanser that clears stubborn acne, dark spots, sunburns, pimples, blemishes, freckles, rashes, white spots, wrinkles, and also lightens the skin. It is used to remove makeup, dirts, excess oil, impurities, dead skin cells, and other pollutants on the facial skin. This face cleanser helps to deeply clean, unclog, and tighten the skin pores. This is one of the best facial cleansers that you can get out there, but it requires full concentration when applying. So in this review, I will be quickly tell you all you need to know about it without beating around the bush. There are 3 types of Lotion Peau De Lune cleanser. We have the brown one, the pink one, and the green one. The brown one is the strongest. It is for acne-prone and oily skin. It is designed for people with bad acne and stubborn skin. The second one is the pink one. It is designed for people with normal skin. It will lighten your skin complexion and get rid of your skin problems to make your skin look beautiful. The third one is the green one, and it is the mildest of them all. It is designed for people with combination or sensitive skin type. It is gentle on the skin and works the same purpose like the other colors. This one can be used by a dark skin, chocolate skin, or fair skin because it doesn't lighten the skin complexion. If you have a sensitive skin type and you decide to buy the black one, which is very strong, you experience redness, peeling of your skin, and other skin irritation that will make you think you bought the fake one. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubitstore. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.